We are pleased to show you the 2006 ES330. The Lexus ES330 may be the smoothest, quietest car in its class. Its supple suspension gives it a smooth ride on rough city streets, beat-up freeways, and poorly maintained back roads. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: exterior entry lights, daytime running lights, fog lights, leather upholstery, universal remote transmitter, cruise control, trip computer, electroluminescent instrumentation, child safety locks, power door locks. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.